Hello guys, I am Normal. I will show you how to fix error compiling for board ESP32. Now I am compiling the code. You can see the code is not compiling. It says error while compiling for board ESP32, and it shows file path, and it says permission denied. Now give the read write and execute permission to run the Arduino. Open terminal and use chmod command to change the file permission. I am It asks the user password. Enter the password and press enter. Now compile the code. You will not get error. I have got another error. Says no module named serial. Import serial. So I will download and install serial named PySerial. Now the error has fixed. You can compile the code. Thank you for watching the video.